So hi, this is like a new concept, I think, and let's try it. Anyway, I actually bought tons of DIY stuff. This is the calculator, and these are the speakers. And today I'll be trying to assemble this watch. So let's take a look at it. And okay, and let's see how it actually looks like. I didn't think that this is going to be like this, but okay. Okay, let's see, what do we have? This is the battery, and this is the PCB itself, I guess. Couple of resistors. This is the battery. I'm guessing that all of the resistors are of the same value. So yeah, 10K, 10K, and I don't know whether you can see it or not. And but where are the chips? Okay, this is the. Okay, I think that the chips are in here. Okay, so you know what? First of all, let's solder the chips. Okay, these are the chips. They go like this. This is the chip 1, and the I don't know whether you can see it, but this one is looking at this side, so this is the chip 2. Let's see, what else do we have? This is the display itself, so I am guessing that display goes like this. I do wonder. Okay, these are the 310K resistors. Okay, so let's install the resistors as well. I don't know why I bought this DIY stuff, but it is kind of, I don't know, cool thing too. I feel like you actually did something worthwhile, I guess. Okay, let's solder, right? Can I zoom down a bit? I guess I can. Okay. And this is something that you are not supposed to be breathing, so yes. Okay, let's cut some wires. And this is the switch, I think. Yes. And the crystal goes in here, so it's kind of cool. By the way, these new modern components have such small, thin wires. It's insane. Okay, I mean, this thing actually looks half decent, so let's solder this thing. And this one goes 1 on 4. This one goes in here. Okay. And these wires are actually connected as I see it. If I screwed something, it will not turn on. So yeah, but basically this is almost done. 1TK goes in here, and I'm not quite sure where the other one goes. Did I get one extra? Okay, and let's solder the buttons as well. Okay. And I actually have a fume extractor, but I'm trying not to breathe this thing, so yeah. And these two go in here, and I actually believe that is it. Okay, the only thing left to solder is, I guess, this thing. I mean, right. And let's see whether this thing will actually work or not. The only thing left for me to solder is a battery holder, which is, by the way, crappy. Will it turn on? What do you think? Let's see. It's displaying 7. Well, that's not promising. Why is it displaying 7? Oh, well, I didn't do anything, but now it's working fine. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Okay. So basically, let me turn off the lights. And now when you hold, so this one turns it on, and now I have no idea. What's the time? It's 20:52. Okay, so is this thing working now? Well, we'll see in a minute. Let me unstick this. It is looking nice. Okay, this is the top part, I guess. And this is the bottom part. So pull this thing through. Okay. By the way, this is zero quality, but okay. I feel like, yeah, okay. Okay, so this is there is one on the bottom as well. Okay, but I need to remove them all. I'm guessing this thing goes like this, right? As you can see, it's actually going forward properly. However, this part is kind of suckish. And then like this, right? I mean, kind of makes sense. And then this thing goes like this. Yeah. This sucks. Okay, so let's see. There is actually, this is 2. Okay, so it goes like this. And now I need to remove every protective. So this is the boring part. Imagine soldering taking like 2 minutes and then everything else taking forever. Now we have to put the watch in here, right? Okay. I mean, it does look cool. Okay. I have to put in the, no, in here, and in here I have to put in the, these two. Now let's clean this thing as well. And I have an idea which part is the front part and which is the rear part. This part as well. Finally. Okay, let's clean this thing. And let's see how this thing goes. I mean, it does look cool. Let's try to screw this thing in. And this thing is now pushing this thing. Can somebody please explain to me the fuck is going on? Okay, this is horrific, I can tell you right away. Okay. Now, choose this one. Choose this one as well. Basically 2115. Okay. And now the top cover. I mean, it is kind of cool. So there you have it. By the way, if you pull hard on this, I think that the entire watch will just fall apart. So yeah, I mean, it is kind of cool, but yeah. Okay, there you have it. 2116. I mean, it is cool. I think I have a small arm. Okay, well, anyway, if you like this video, please click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do. And until the next time. I think this kind of looks cool. I really do.